When you think of a pressure washer, you probably picture cleaning a driveway or a patio. And whilst they're perfect for that, these powerful cleaners with the right settings can do a lot more than you might expect. The key is choosing the right nozzle and pressure for the job, so you get great results without damaging anything. Outdoor bins. A medium pressure works best, and mild detergent can help with stubborn odours, but just make sure it's rinsed thoroughly once you're done. Stone paving. A very high pressure is needed for stone, and if you have one, use a surface cleaner attachment which ensures even results. Kids' outdoor toys. For plastic, you want to go for a medium pressure and avoid any harsh chemicals. Make sure the toys are completely dry before they're used again. Metal garden tools need a high pressure to remove stubborn dirt. Remember to dry and oil the tools once you're done to prevent rust.
Pressure washers are also great for things like pet crates and artificial grass. Just use a lower setting and keep a bit of a distance.
A few quick safety reminders. Wear eye protection and closed-toe shoes. Never point the nozzle at people or pets. And always test in a small area first, keeping the nozzle moving to avoid surface damage.